And finally, number 6, the one I told you is life-changing. Number 6 is you asking for money, but not bill money or urgent 2K. Hello ladies, welcome to another video. My name is Ayanime, and if this is your first time, do subscribe. But if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for being a part of this community. Ladies, imagine having a rich person around you with serious high net worth, but all you continue to do is ask for bill money or worse, urgent 2K. No, ladies, no. Stop asking for these types of things. I understand that life often happens and you need a quick cash flow to sort out certain emergencies. That's fine, but that should not be the only thing you're asking somebody rich around you. You want to ask for things that add value to your life long after this person is no longer a part of it. Ladies, before I get into the list of things you can ask other than money, it is important for you to understand that for this to work, you have to build a value-added relationship with this person first. This is because due to their status or position, they likely have a lot of people asking them for handouts every day. You do not want to be lumped into that particular set of people. So build a value-added relationship with them, gain their trust and their respect. You want them to have reasons to want to help you compared to them being irritated by your request. And ladies, you can only achieve this when you can also add value to them. To better understand what you should ask a rich person around you, ask yourself this question. By virtue of this person's status or position, what value can they add to my life, maybe career-wise or business-wise, that will make an effect in the long term? Once you ask that question, things will become clearer. Ladies, do watch this video to the end because it is at the end that I share with you the most powerful and life-changing thing you should ask from a wealthy or rich person around you. The first thing you should ask a wealthy person around you in place of money is a job. It is an anomaly for you to be jobless and then choose to only ask for handouts from a wealthy or rich person around you who can actually use his or her connections to get you a job. That makes absolutely no sense. So instead of asking for money, here is what you should do. Don't just slip it in casually into a conversation and say, oh, I need a job. Oh, no. The first thing you want to do is you want to put together your CV. Okay? A compelling CV with your cover letter or recommendation letter. And if it is possible, meet with them in person. When you meet with them in person, let them know all the previous efforts you've made in trying to get a job. Let them also know that you will appreciate their help in getting a good job because you would like to earn money by adding value to an organization. When you do this, it will show that you are a serious-minded person and you know what you're doing. This also applies if you are looking for a better job compared to the one you currently have. Number 2, ask for connections or introductions. Ladies, as they say, your network is your net worth. A high net worth person will likely have connections to some, if not all, the people you need to maybe win a contract or even execute a project. So do not hesitate to ask for their help in using those connections or imploring them to make an introduction to somebody important. One of my videos on IG recently made it to a huge blog here in Nigeria. This led to a serious growth in my community, and that was made possible by an affluent person in my network. So it is important that when you're asking for a connection or an introduction, you use it for something worthwhile. Please don't waste a valuable introduction or connection on something frivolous or unimportant. Another angle to this is that you can ask them to introduce you to viable business opportunities or investment. Number 3, ask them to recommend your business. If you own a business, ask them to recommend your product or services to other influential people. This is how you build a clientele of high net worth individuals. Now, ladies, making this particular request work is hugely up to you. You have to first do a good job for them so that when you request for them to recommend you to others, they will not hesitate. Ladies, if you are enjoying this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe, because when you do this, you are literally encouraging me to keep creating content that will help you as you continue on your level up journey. Number 4, ask them to share their knowledge or experience. Imagine having a high net worth person around you and you're not asking them to share their knowledge and experience with you. That is a missed opportunity. Let's say you lack networking skills, but there's this high net worth person around you who seems to know how to walk a room, who knows how to have conversation very easily with everybody. Ask them to teach you. Ask them to share tips with you. Do you want to create your own wealth? Ask them to share their experience with you. Are you looking for viable business, investment opportunities? Ask this person. Do not hesitate to ask. Since you have built a relationship based on value, trust, and respect, they will not hesitate to share their secrets with you. I have somebody in my network who seems to know everybody. So one day I asked him, I said, how did you get to know all these people, especially these influential people? So he told me that in the beginning, when he had to travel to big cities like Lagos, Abuja, or Port Harcourt, he would always buy business class tickets. That always gave him the opportunity to meet people that ordinarily it would take him months to get proper appointment with them. Another person shared with me that when she travels, she stays in very select locations because that is where wealthy people stay. That way she gets to meet them and also network. Another person also shared with me the importance of certain hobbies like golf because they have a way of placing you right in the middle of the people you want to meet. All these things I have shared with you is knowledge and experience that was shared with me. Knowledge and experience I intend to put to use. So if you have a high net worth person around you, please ask them to share their experience with you. It can be the one thing you need to turn your life around. Generally, people, not just high net worth individuals, enjoy feeling like they are needed or they are adding value. So when you ask, be prepared for a lengthy conversation. Number 5, invitation to high-profile events or places. Ladies, ask for those invitations. Yes. Go ahead and ask for those invitations. Be it a wedding, a conference, a political gathering, high-profile parties, VIP passes to certain events, invitations to premium clubs like a Koyi club, polo club, boat club, or any kind of high-profile club. Just ask. However, ask in a way that shows that being in that particular event will add value to maybe your career or your business. Let it not be like you're just asking because you want to feel among or you want to go and stare at high profile or high net worth people, okay? Once you get invitations to such an event, the next thing you want to do is brush up on your networking skills. You don't want to get invited to high profile events and then you leave empty-handed, all because you don't know how to network. And finally, make sure that when you're going to that event, you show up elegant and absolutely stunning. And finally, number 6, the one I told you is life-changing. Number 6 is you asking for money, but not bill money or urgent 2K. And that is for you to ask them to invest in your business or startup. The mistake I see some people or some ladies make is to throw it into a casual conversation. Won't you come and invest in my business? Goodness, no. Let me ask you, if you were the person, would you invest? I'm sure you wouldn't. So that is why I am here. I'm giving you all these tips, all these secrets, all this information so that when you're asking for a high net worth person to invest in your business, you do it right. Here is the first thing you should do. Write a business plan. A well-prepared, compelling business plan. Do your research if you have to. The second thing you should do is to then schedule a meeting with this person. It doesn't matter whether they are your friend, they are your romantic partner. Schedule a business meeting. Tell them you want to come in and discuss business with them. Treat them how you would treat any other investor. The next thing you should do is to brush up on your pitching skills. You are about to sell your business or business idea to somebody. So you have to be prepared for any question or any information they may demand from you. You can practice with a friend or a family member to get yourself better prepared. Finally, when you are at this meeting and you are pitching your business idea to them, at the end of the day, make sure that they understand that this is not a handout, it is an investment. Let them see what they stand to gain by investing in your business. The reality is that they may or may not invest, but one thing thing I can assure you is that you will leave a wonderful impression on that person. You never can tell what can come up later on, and they will immediately think of you and recommend you. So there you have it, ladies, a list of things you can ask wealthy or rich people around you other than money. I'm going to say it again. Stop asking for urgent 2K. Okay? You are worth more than that. It is important for you to take advantage of these people around you, not in a parasitic way, but in the right way. And like I said, by adding value first. I hope you enjoyed the video. You learned something new. If you did, do like, subscribe, share this video with somebody who will find it valuable, and also leave comments in the comment section letting me know other things you can ask wealthy people around you. As always, be kind to yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.